Hey there, my friends. Happy holidays. This is Dr. A from the Fit Father Project and the Fit Mother Project. And with the holidays upon us right now, so many of us are going to more family gatherings. There's lots of food. And it's also a time when many people slip up with their exercise routine. So my team and I wanted to put together this Holiday HIIT 25, 15, 10 workout. So we have 3 exercises we're going to do for 25 reps, 15 reps, 10 reps. I'm going to show you exactly what to do. But the purpose of this workout is this is something you can do if you know you're going to a friend's gathering or a family gathering or whatever you end up doing. You do this workout ahead of time. It's quick, it's fun, it's convenient, you don't need a lot of equipment. So let's go into this Holiday HIIT workout. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do some swings. So if you have a kettlebell or dumbbell at home, you can use that. And we're gonna be doing the swinging motion here for 25 reps. That's the 25 of this 25, 15, 10. If you don't have any weights, you can just get a pillow, a gallon of water, a milk jug, whatever you have at home. The key thing here in 4 points is we're gonna be grabbing this, strong back, strong core, bending at the hips, firing those glutes to get this up. We're gonna be doing 25 reps. So what I'm gonna do in this video, I'm gonna do 25 reps, then we're gonna move on to the next exercise, and we're gonna keep on going through this. 3 exercises, 25 of the first one, 15 the second one, 10 of the third one. Let's get into the swings, and we'll swing this kettlebell. So at this point, 25 swings, immediately into 15 sumo squat jumps. So that's gonna get the heart rate going. Sumo squat jump. We're gonna get a sumo squat stance, a little bit wider. Shoulder width is here, this is right here, so slightly wider. We're gonna squat down, hands together, squat down, jump up. Nice soft knees, 15 reps, just like this. Nice continuous motion. If your knees hurt, you don't need to jump. You could just be going down through here. I want 15 reps though. So we'll assume I'm at 10 here. 1, 2, 3, breathe, 4, 5. So those are 15 of the squat jumps, immediately into 10 burpees. I'm sorry, it's gonna be a kick butt workout though. So 25 swings, 15 sumo squat jumps, 10 burpees. That's gonna complete a round of this. So I'm gonna take the burpees from the push-up, 10 burpees. If you can't do full toe push-ups, you can do it from your knees like this too. Boom. So at this point, we did 1 full round, 25 swings, 15 sumo squat jumps, 10 burpees. Rest, catch your breath, do as many rounds as you can in 30 minutes. That's how you do this Holiday HIIT workout.
FitFatherProject.com